Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Mailchimp email automation. Start by creating or importing an audience, then design a branded campaign and select an automation workflow type. Choose triggers like sign-up, purchase, or date-based events, set delays and conditions, and personalize messages with merge tags. Test the sequence, enable tracking, and monitor open and click rates to refine content and timing for better engagement and conversions. Segment your audience to send relevant messages, using tags, groups, or behaviors to narrow targets. Craft concise subject lines, preview text, and mobile-friendly templates that load quickly. Use merge tags to personalize, a /b test subject lines and send times, and set clear calls to action. Monitor engagement metrics and prune inactive subscribers to keep deliverability high and costs efficient. Begin by choosing an automation type like welcome, abandoned cart, or re-engagement, then pick the appropriate audience. Design emails using consistent branding, clear headers, and accessible fonts, and include alt text for images. Set delays and conditional splits to tailor journeys, add tags upon actions, and sync with e-commerce data for dynamic product recommendations. Always preview across devices and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.